Hi friends, in this video I have made a simple LED chaser circuit using 4015 IC. You can also adjust its speed with the potentiometer. In this video you will know how you can make your own LED chaser. This is the circuit diagram of the project and these are all the components we need for this project. I will use a 4015 shift register IC and a 555 timer to give pulse to it. Connect these components with the help of circuit diagram and you have completed your project. If you like this video, you can consider subscribing the channel to get more videos like that.